So before we jump into today's house tour, here is today's sponsor. Thank you so much to GlassesUSA.com for sponsoring today's video. While I talk about the company, I'm going to do a little try-on of some of my favorite pairs that I own. I buy all of my frames from them, my eyeglasses to sunglasses. I buy my kids' glasses, my daughter's contacts. It's super easy, you just upload your prescription, and they also offer a virtual try-on. I am very particular with my glasses, so it's nice to get an idea of what they're going to look like. GlassesUSA.com is a certified reseller, so they are going to have all of the brands that you love, and they are 100% authentic. They also offer free lenses. Every order includes quality single vision lenses, and it's risk-free. There's free shipping and returns and a 365-day warranty. They also offer blue light glasses, transition glasses, multifocals, and my most favorite thing about GlassesUSA.com is how affordable they are. I am not just buying glasses for myself. Like I said, I have to buy glasses and contacts for my family as well. So I just save so much money by using GlassesUSA.com. Second favorite thing is how cute their glasses are. I mean, I can get any color I want ever in any style, like cat eye, square, rectangle. They just have so many options, and I just love using glasses as a way to kind of change up my style, reinvent myself, change things up. I get really bored easily, so I love expressing myself through eyeglasses. It's just so fun. So again, shout out to GlassesUSA.com. I am going to leave all of the info down below in the description box. Make sure you check them out, and you can thank me later. Okay, so when you walk in my house, you step into the living room. Just a little bit about my furniture. This TV stand I've had for a really long time. I got it at, I believe, Sam Levitt's, and I love it so much. It used to have glass in where the cupboards are, but they broke, so one broke, so I just took them all out. And this is my couch. I want to get a new one. I'm on the hunt for a green couch. Once I find that, I will do like an updated video, because this isn't exactly how I want it. This is just like, I'm working with what I have right now, and I'm just like making the best of my space. These end tables, I'm not too sure where they're from. I think they're from Marshall's or Ross. This rug is from Ross. And then we have the hallway. It's just a hallway. And then I just put that rug there like about a week ago. I got the rug from Ross. Wait to get a dining room table. That's the backyard. Hey, come inside, guys. So this is the kitchen. It's just like a regular kitchen. I tried not to have too many things on the counter. My blender, my coffee machine, utensils, toaster, and my kids actually need to do these dishes. I was gonna do them before this video, but hey, this is real life. I will say I miss having a gas stovetop. This stove is a electric, but it's fine, I'm grateful. It goes living room, kitchen, which I like that the living room and the kitchen are kind of like one. When I'm cooking, I can like keep my eyes on the kids when they're out here watching TV. And so from the kitchen, we go into the hallway, and this is the bookcase. If you watched my last vlog, I put this together. I'll link it. I got it on Amazon. I love it so much. And got some artwork. These were bought. Mariah painted that. We hit the laundry room, which is to the right. Just a laundry room. We have this like little closet for like storage. I just have some random things in there right now. When you go in here, it's Mariah's room. It looks like a teenager's room.
Post that
together.
Stop recording.
So Mariah's room, and then right next to Mariah's room is Noah's room. This is Noah's room. Usually he has some lights on. He has like a vibe going in here. He's gaming. I'm doing a house tour. Oh. So yeah, this is Noah's room. And then we have a little closet right here, which I have toilet paper up there. Usually towels are right here, but I'm washing towels. They're in the washer or dryer. I don't know, I need to check on laundry. There's medicine, which I actually want to find a new space for that because I only want to put towels in here. Like, it's a linen closet, right? So, and then kitty litter and an extra pillow. Nothing exciting. And then when you turn here, we have the kids' bathroom. And I'm kind of scared to go in here, to be honest. One of my pet peeves, like, why can't you just take that and put it in the trash and then you know what, I'm just gonna do it because I can't leave it like that. I don't know how people can just leave it like that. Oh my gosh, see, that took me 3 seconds. Kids' bathroom.
Late night on the ride home, wishing you were mine. Glowing neon red with feelings I deny. More than just a friend, I'm ready to ignite, ready to ignite. Goosebumps every time I try to catch your eye. Hold me in suspense and take me by surprise. I'm so high on the smoke, you blow into my mind, blow into my mind. I can't explain it, caught up in your heat wave. Ooh. Driving me crazy, got me burning in flames. Ooh. Obsessing in secret on and over my to the girl in your sheets. Do you ever think of me? Oh, my head is spinning too fast. Always want the one you can't have. I can't explain it, caught up in your heat wave. Ooh. Driving me crazy, got me burning in flames. Ooh. Obsessing in secret
So that is my house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It helps me out, shows me that you care, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Peace. I feel so silly. My neighbor's like... Okay, so this is my living room. It's like